Christ's light. 1 John 1:5, God said, I am light, and in me is no darkness at all. I, Randy Lee Holmes, have discovered how to make light out of chemicals or atoms. I gave this discovery to the world free of charge, and I seek no patent. It is now I shall show you Christ's light and how to make light from atoms. This is light that has been burning for battery. It has a battery. Okay, this is Christ's light right here. This little pouch right here, little pouch is called Christ's light unit. It makes this battery and this transistor run these LEDs forever. The same voltage of 850 volts have been on this battery for more than 1 year already. These two lights right here have been on for more than 1 year. Okay? Now, the Christ light unit is here without a battery. It's without a battery on here. This light has been burning free of charge, no battery, no transistor, just the Christ light atoms and chemicals for more than a year. That's a light that burns eternally. Now, in order to make this Christ light, you will need several materials. First of all, we have chlorine. Okay, the chlorine is here. Now, the chlorine that I use is only 49. This is a pool product, Shock Plus. The chlorine content is only like 49%. I tried using pure chlorine and it did not work. It's too powerful. So this is the chlorine. Now the salt, table salt, sodium chloride, this can be used with or without iodine. It doesn't matter. Okay. Then you have your glycol, and then you need one magnesium strip right here that's clean, and you need another magnesium strip that has been oxidized. Okay, this magnesium strip has been oxidized. Okay, then you have two graphite strips, and then you have your red phosphate. You need that. Red phosphorus powder. Uh, you also need one LED. One LED, this one happens to be 10 millimeters. And you need two clips and two wires. Okay, and right here, I'm going to be working in this area. You have a cardboard. I cut out some Pepsi crate, 12 in a can. I cut the cardboard after I used the soda. Cut the cardboard here, and then I cut a napkin in half, and place the napkin there. And this is where I will be working. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, first thing we need is, well, I always put some slime first. I don't know if I mentioned that we needed slime, but yeah, we need slime. We don't have to have slime, but I like to use slime. We don't have to have it, but I like to use it. That's why I didn't mention it in the materials, because you don't have to use it, but it helps a little. Okay, you're talking about maybe 15, no, maybe 11 extra volts if you use that. Millivolts. No, you're talking maybe 11 volts. It added, like if you had 12 volts, you would have 13 volts if you use slime. Okay, we got slime. Okay, we have, next we want to put the oil. This is a glycol. Put some of that on there. Put it on there generously. Put it on there generously. The oil, because that's going to keep things from corroding. Okay. It's a conductive type oil, so you know it's not going to harm anything. Okay. After the oil, you can put your glue. Elmer's glue. You might have to open it up there to get it to come out. If it doesn't, you know, you can just take it off. Put a generous amount in there. The chemicals they use to make the glue helps to boost the voltage. Okay. Now you need to put a generous amount of salt on there, and you want to put the same amount of chlorine. It's a pool product. It has 49% chlorine in it. Now I have something in my nose. I don't have a mask, but I have tissue in my nose because you don't want to breathe these fumes in. You don't. Because we know chlorine gas is poisonous, okay? Mix it up the best you can. Okay. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Now, if you mix it up, I like to then add a touch of red phosphorus. Don't need a lot of that. Stuff is hard to get too, because it's illegal to order large amounts. Because people be making drugs or something with it, I don't know. Okay, let's put that back there. Mix that red phosphorus in there. I don't use white phosphorus. I haven't even experimented with it, so I don't know if the white phosphorus will work or not. Red phosphorus works pretty good. Now, what you want to do is test it to see how many voltage you have there. How much voltage you have going. Now, let me make a note that this is ion voltage. It's not electron voltage. Electron volts will run fans, and you know, it's electricity that will turn on your power electrical units in the house. But this experiment only works with light. To get light, you need to cause a chemical reaction. And that chemical reaction is caused throughout ionization, okay? The chemicals are ionized, and so you're going to get ions. So you're not going to get electrons. So you're going to get light. You're not going to get electricity to run your household appliances. Okay? Now, let's test by taking a clean strip of magnesium and a strip of graphite and turn on our meter here and see how many black. Okay, we're getting 277 and you can't see it. So let's see if I can hold it up like that. Hold it up like that while I put it on there, okay? Okay, can you see that? 278? 278 volts. Okay, 279. Okay, we got 279 volts. Now, I'm going to show you what I discovered after working with this stuff. Place another strip of graphite on top of the strip of magnesium, and then take this strip of magnesium that has been oxidized already. It has been oxidized already, and place it on top of the graphite. Okay, and then clear it. So make a little dent in there so you can get the new magnesium when you make the connection. And let's see what we can get out of that. Whoa, okay. See if I can make this so you all can see it. Yeah, let's go with this right here, Randy. Yeah, you can see that one, right? Okay. There's another probe here. Now, what are we getting here? 430. Oops, I gotta switch that because I have my probes wrong. I mean, I had my black on the graphite, the black goes on the magnesium, and the red, there you go, 4 volts, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 5, 7, okay, 4, 5, 4, 7, 407, 407 volts. That's pretty good, that's pretty good. So now, all we have to do is cut out this cell. That's what it is. We got better than 4 volts, ion volts, remember that. So you're not going to be running any machines with this, but you're going to get plenty of light. And the good thing about the light is going to last forever. This light will last forever. The chemicals are perpetual. You know, they keep making light. Believe it or not, the same chemicals that we're using here are the same chemicals in your body that makes ion electricity for your body. You know, your salt and your chlorine. These are major chemicals for making electrolytes for the body that makes electricity. Okay? Now, after you've figured out how to make your volts, now you want to hook it up to your light. So first thing you want to do is, what I want to do is clear, so that I can get a good contact, I want to clear the top of this magnesium with the oxidized magnesium, I want to clear it pretty good so that I can get a good connection with my wire. And I want to put the black one on here with a clip. Go a little bit like this right here. I hope I can get it there. Fell off. But I'm going to keep trying until I get it on top of there. Then I'm going to place my wire on there, on top of there. Even it up. And I'm going to try to get a clip on it. And that clip is not good, but it's on there. So if it's not good, I'm not satisfied. I mean, that's just the way I am, okay? If it's not good, I'm not satisfied. I want to put the magnesium, the clear magnesium first, then the graphite. Then the oxidized side of magnesium goes next. Then a wire. After that, normally I don't put wires on here, but I want to put a wire on here just so you know how to make your light, you know, with a wire, because I usually just put the clips on it like that one. I usually just put the clips on it like this one. You know, it doesn't have wires. Let's put a clip on it. Whoops. Put a clip on it like that. Now, let's see if we got anything going on here. Yeah, we'll red wire first. Red wire here. Put a clip on that one. Oh, God. Okay, it's a little messy here, but let's see. Let's put what on? Okay, there we go. We put the black on the black. Get that out of the way. The black on the black and the red on the red. I put a little red magic marker on there so that I can tell which wire goes on what pro. And there's your free light right there, people. It's called Christ Light. Put it near the black. It's easier to see. Christ Light. This light will last forever. Now, it won't be as bright always. It won't be as bright always. But this light will never go out. Okay? And when I first made this one, it was bright like this, okay? It was bright like this one as well. But after a while, it gets down to this light right here. You know, it's not just bright like this. After a while, this bright light right here, and it's bright. It'll last like this for a couple of days, this bright. But after a couple of days, this light, my hand's getting tired holding it over there like that. I'm trying to show it near the black because it's really bright near the bright. See that? It's really bright near the, see that? It's really bright, this light. I gotta get the connections real good though, see? Now you gotta, I didn't really do a good job with the connections. But you gotta make sure it's on there tight. See that? Make sure it's on there tight. Okay. And there you have it. Free light. Free light. Connections here could be better. Okay, let's see if we can get it right, man. Get your connections right, boy. It's another thing now, your connections. I went through a lot to try to get these connections right. There we go. Christ Light. Christ Light, ladies and gentlemen. Christ Light. Okay, Christ Light. Now you know